Hey guys, let's see how to set up a Reolink wired camera. In this case, I have this Reolink, that's the RLC-510A, but it works with any Reolink wired camera. The idea here is just connect the camera to the switch. Here I have a PoE switch, so basically the cable is connected to the switch and the switch powers the camera, okay, via power over Ethernet. And if you don't have a PoE switch, you can also connect directly to your router. I have a router here, for example. If I want to connect directly to the router, I can also do that, but I need to have the power adapter to connect here, right? So you power the cable, the camera via a power adapter or via a PoE switch, and then you're good to go, right? As long as you turn on your camera, you power the camera, you're gonna sense that the camera is on. There's no LED indicating here. Sometimes you just see the LED here in front of the camera. When you just do this, for example, you just hear a click and you quickly see that the camera has the LED on. Let me just do it again. Just try to see the LEDs on here. It's pretty fast, so you don't see it pretty well, right? With the LED here that the camera is on. So it's hard to see, but the camera is on. Then you're good to go for the setup. You just need to come here with the Reolink app. Just download, install, and create an account with the Reolink, and then you can add a new camera. Let me just come here, remove this one that's not working, and just come here and add a new device. There we go. And now you see that's looking for a QR code. So this camera has no QR code here to read, right? What you have to do is just go and press here LAN. So you just want to use the LAN option. And here you see that it finds the camera in the network. Of course, you just need to have the camera and the cell phone connected to the same network. Basically, I have here this router. The camera is connected to a switch and the switch is connected to the router. And the cell phone is connected to the same router as well via Wi-Fi. So cable connected via the camera and Wi-Fi connected via the cell phone to the same router. Then it shows up here. It scans the network and finds it. There we go. Just need to click here and it finds the camera. You see the model is here. And then you just need to create a device password. And the first time that you're setting up a wired camera, you just need to come here and set up a password. I'm gonna use a temp password here just for testing. You just need to create yours. There we go. Just repeat the password one more time. And just make sure that you have then correctly. See that I made a mistake here, so I just need to come back and fix it. There we go. Now I have both passwords the same way, and I just continue. There we go. Name the device. Let's say side door. Next again, and it's complete. I just hit next one more time, and it's working, right? When I tap here, see that the camera is working. Pretty fine, right? So basically that's the way you can set up a Reolink wired camera, right? Super simple. Just need to connect to the power supply via cable, Ethernet cable, or via the power adapter. Start the camera, start the app here, connecting to the same router, and you're good to go. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.